Hello, YouTube. I just finished install dash kit for Honda Accord 2003-2007 dash kit item number ITCHA01B. Yeah, this is a Scotch brand, and I just decided to go to this route because my touch screen OEM radio started giving me a lot of issues, and I was like, okay, it's time to read it and put some aftermarket stuff. Okay, this is it. This is how it looks. 2 screens. Now let's see how it looks on. Here we go. This is our baby. In my opinion, I think it's the best dash kit for these cars. A little bit more expensive than other ones, but this one is full screen touch. You can control everything individually, like the AC fan. You control your steering controls. Oh my god, it's really loud. The steering controls. You control the AC, the dual zone, single zone, the direction of the vents. I think it's really cool, really good looking. The only thing I just see is this gap right here on the bottom pocket right here, this gap. After that, everything works perfect. All the instruments working good. I'm gonna try to put the OEM pocket. Let's see how it goes, because right here is kind of huge, more than the radio. I don't know the pocket's gonna open. I'm gonna try it and I'll upload the video later. But this is it. Scotch Honda Accord 2003-2007 dash kit. Looks really good. I think it worth the money. Cost me a lot, around $300. But you know, I don't have a lot of options, and I don't want to put like a cheaper, bad looking dash. I used to have the pocket, this radio on the pocket, and it looks really good with the OEM radio. But I had to take it off because it started giving me a lot of different issues and a lot of problems with the touch screen, and I can't control my AC, my heater, and all that. And I just decided to take it out. Lose everything. Everything is plug and play except the radio harness. You have to peel the cables and just weld it or put some connectors and connect them. After that, everything else is plug and play. It came with the instructions right here. Really easy instructions to understand what's going on. That's it. Fan right here, compressor right here. You can turn off the dash kit by itself, or you can turn it on, you see, and turn on the AC. I just, you can leave the AC on and just turn off and on the console, the dash kit, and it work like that. You can control the ventilation, the directional ventilation, the dual zone, single zone, menu, really practical things, language, all that. Just in case you buy another version, is the older version, it's only one screen. I buy that version and start giving me a lot of issues too. And I called Scotch and they told me that version is not really reliable. And I called the people I bought it, Sound of Tri-State in Delaware and the East Coast, and they just change it without any trouble, without any issues. I recommend that full, just a little bit, the fitment, this gap right here. I'm planning to do something, I don't know. Let's see what can I invent, what can I improvise. After that, everything is really cool. I like it how it looks. Looks really good in the night. Something different than a lot of people have. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. God bless you all. Bye bye.